Take your time.
Debates cannot stop that time clock. Ignorance cannot stop that time clock. And no matter what anyone says, God's prophetic time clock will hit zero, and it will catch many people off guard. scriptures from coming to pass. For the only thing you and I have right now to give us any indication in terms of how much time we have, where we are in history, is this prophetic document that I have in my hand. Let me give you a real example from my life of how prophecy unfolds when the Lord has spoken. In 2010, my wife and I was in Bible college in Columbus, Ohio. And in the last semester in Bible college, we was at the home of a pastor. Because of the words of Christ can't fall to the floor. Now pay attention. As they're standing on top of this mountain asking these three eschatological questions, the Lord does not answer them the first question in Matthew, but in Luke he does answer. Luke records the answer. When you see the city of Jerusalem surrounded, you know that she is left desolate.